Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 529 account rollover strategies with new account rules, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, research the specific rules and regulations regarding 529 accounts in your state. Understand the recent changes in tax laws that may affect 529 account rollovers. Choose a financial institution that offers 529 plans with favorable terms. Open a new 529 account if you do not have one. Gather necessary documentation, including your social security number and proof of residency, for the application process. Review the investment options available for your new account. Consider your child's educational needs and future costs when selecting investments. Initiate the rollover process from your existing 529 account to the new one. Contact the custodian of your current account and request a rollover. Complete any required forms, ensuring you provide accurate account details. Confirm the rollover amount, keeping it within the annual contribution limits. Monitor the progress of the rollover transaction to ensure it's processed smoothly. Once the funds are in the new account, double-check that they are allocated according to your investment strategy. Familiarize yourself with the new account's features, including withdrawal rules and fees. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as education costs and your child's needs evolve. Stay updated on any changes in 529 account regulations that may impact your strategy in the future. Plan contributions based on annual limits and your financial situation to optimize the benefits of your 529 plan. Utilize any state tax deductions or credits associated with your contributions for added benefits. Finally, keep detailed records of all transactions and communications related to your 529 accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.